Have you ever pondered over how computers keep time synchronized? What magic allows machines across the globe to agree on the exact time? Well, the answer is not found in a mystical spellbook, but in the realm of computer networking. This enigma is solved by an ingenious protocol known as Network Time Protocol, or NTP. NTP, a product of the digital age, has a simple yet crucial role, ensuring the synchronization of clocks on computers and servers worldwide. This protocol operates by using a hierarchy of time sources. At the top of this hierarchy, we have a reference clock, often linked to an atomic clock or GPS, providing the most accurate time. From there, the time trickles down through multiple layers, each one called a stratum. This hierarchy ensures that even if a layer experiences issues, the time can still be accurately disseminated to lower strata. So, how does one go about setting up NTP? It may sound daunting, but it's a task that even a novice can conquer with the right guidance. First, ensure that the device has access to the internet, as NTP relies on this to connect to the time servers. Next, it's time to install the NTP software. For Windows users, this is as simple as enabling the Windows Time service. Linux and macOS users, however, may need to install the NTP package using their respective package managers. Once the NTP software is installed, the next step is to configure it. This involves editing the NTP configuration file to specify the time servers that the device should synchronize with. Many public NTP servers are available, and it's generally recommended to use at least 3 to ensure redundancy. After the NTP servers have been specified, save the configuration file and restart the NTP service. This will initiate the synchronization process. Finally, to ensure that everything is working as expected, check the system's time. If it's synchronized with the time servers, then congratulations, NTP has been successfully set up. To recap, NTP is a vital protocol that ensures time synchronization across computers and servers worldwide. It operates using a hierarchy of time sources, with a reference clock at the top. Setting up NTP involves installing the NTP software, configuring it to use specific time servers, restarting the service, and then checking the system's time. So, the next time you glance at the clock on your computer and marvel at its accuracy, remember the Network Time Protocol, working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure that your machine, along with millions of others, knows exactly what time it is.